In this lecture, I'm going to introduce design frameworks for GUI programming in Java, including AWT, Swing, JavaFX, and Qt Jambi. Just briefly introduce them. What is a GUI framework? In computer programming, a software framework is an abstraction in which software providing generic functionality can be selectively changed by additional user-written code, thus providing application-specific software. A software framework is an universal, reusable software environment that provides particular functionality as part of a larger software platform to facilitate development of software application, product, and solutions. So software frameworks is some kind of library that you can calibrate it for different applications. Software framework may include support program, compiler, code library, toolset, and application programming interfaces, API, that bring together all the different components to enable development of a project or system. But it doesn't have to have all of these. Just maybe code library, toolset will be enough to become a framework. And sometimes the API is more important than other things. Graphics user interface. Java Foundation class. Java Foundation class is the first framework for Java GUI programming, starting with AWT and later improved with Swing. And these two frameworks collectively is called Java Foundation class. And AWT is a platform-specific package. Swing is platform-independent package. And Swing adds in many new features, and it is lightweighted. The relationship between AWT and Swing are the following. AWT is the core, and Swing are the replacement for different AWT components or containers. So right here, Swing had different implementation for this container and windows to replace the AWT version. But right now, most people will prefer the Swing version and then working together with AWT. Java SE6 and the Java Foundation class. This shows you the relationship between Java Foundation class and the Java JDK. And higher level, we have the application program Java, JavaC, JavaDoc, apt-jar, these different programs. And Java Foundation class is a class that drives the lower level executable code to access the hardware, while the application trying to utilize this Java Foundation class to drive them. And this is for SE Standard Edition 6. And Java, AWT, and Swing was improved with Java 2D and Java 3D and some other functions to become JavaFX. It is released later. JavaFX, including Java 2D, that is the JFC, and different Java JDK API library and tools, plus the JavaFX new web engine, media engine, windowing toolkit, Prism, these different toolkits to become JavaFX Platform. So JavaFX Platform is a bigger set compared to Swing and AWT. And in Java SE 8, Java Foundation and the JavaFX are the following. Java Foundation class are in this middle layer here. JavaFX is a bigger set. JavaFX can drive Swing and AWT. And Swing and AWT still be very important to help the JavaFX applications, because you can utilize the existing code to help do programming. And lower level, it has more executable codes, and higher level, there are more applications compared to the Java SE6. And Java SE 8 is the current version of the JDK, and Java SE 9 is coming. Right here, I show you another GUI framework called Qt Jambi. It is the Java version of the Qt package. The modules inside the Jambi are the core, GUI, OpenGL, WebKit, scripting, multimedia, networking, XML, database, unit testing, and declarative. So as you can see, GUI is only part of the design framework in Qt, and it is very essential because it will be driving different applications in Qt environments. And in our situation for Swing, it is similar. It is working as a GUI package and driving the core, while it can also working for some part of these different applications. I will explain the relationship between Qt and the Swing, AWT, and JavaFX. Right here, I show you another Android API framework. Java is part of the Android development environment, while Android has its own framework and API, and it drives system service, such as the scheduling or some system functions, and to drive the hardware. And the application is using the design framework and also Java. And here is another view of the Android API framework. There's an Android runtime core library and the virtual machine. This is a version of the JVM. And also the library right here can drive SQL for database and service manager and free type different kind of graphic scene or multimedia scene right here. And the kernel is right here to access the hardware. Above that, there's a window manager, content provider, view system, location manager, and these are the application framework provided for Android to perform several cell phone functions. And above that, there is a phone, browser, or contact to access this API. And the relationship between Android and the Qt Jambi are the following. Qt runs some native code for C and C++ on the machine, while Android remaining in the Java domain. So the Java can drive this native code in C and C++ while return the result back to the Java world for display and user interface. So why we study Java Foundation class? It is an existing framework, but there are many existing projects using it. Knowledge in Java Foundation class, say AWT and Swing, can be used in all different GUI frameworks. The knowledge is to help you to develop the GUI programs, and it is compatible with JavaFX and Android Studio. And AWT and Swing have more educational resources. It is well established. And it is a foundation to study networking, database, unit testing, multimedia, and web servers. Java courses on the Easy Learning Channel courses. We have the A-B course on Java Programming Essential and the Java Object-Oriented Programming, and this course we call it S course for Swing. And in this middle layer, it is database and the multi-threading, we call it service layer. And above that, we have the JavaFX driving these web and multi-threading functions and the graphics engines to support the system functions. And we have the JavaFX Java server face and the servlet and JSP and the Spring framework. These together will serve for the system application in Android cell phone system or web services. And these are the courses in the future we will develop. So far we have A, B, and now working on S and multimedia course and JDBC and JavaFX. And in the long run, we are going to provide you this complete system view. And you will be learning a lot of skill through the Easy Learning channel. Thank you. Bye.